50 things about me. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel MusicBayside Oboe. Today I've prepared a video with 50 things about me. Here we go. I was born on November 16, 1986 in Zamora, Spain. I make my own oboe and English horn reeds. I love walking by the beach and trekking in the mountain. I am 32 years old. I started studying music at 8 years old. I don't drink coffee. I practice yoga and its philosophy of life. I'm allergic to cats. I love traveling. My favorite season of the year is autumn. I really try to learn something new every day. I'm a reading geek. My favorite meal of the day is breakfast. My pets are called Luna and Camarón, a dog and a chameleon. I love teas and infusions. Right now I'm living in Asturias, Spain. I like people who have personal projects and keep learning. I have my own business. Learning to dance flamenco is on my task list. I do exercise every day. My favorite series are Mozart in the Jungle, Friends, Westworld, and Game of Thrones. I admire people who struggle to be the best version of themselves. My favorite color is blue. I don't eat meat. In 2017, I founded MusicBayside, a project of online music education. I have a lot of willpower. I've learned to use video editing, photography, and audio programs in a self-taught way. In 2013, I suffered a deep thrombosis in one of my legs, and its overcoming helped me to be a stronger person mentally and physically. I graduated from the Royal Conservatory School of Music in Madrid and from the Reina Sofia School of Music. I always brush my teeth before playing the oboe. My favorite historical composers are Bach, Mozart, Beethoven, Debussy, and Shostakovich. I love to learn to play the cello. My favorite painters are Klimt, Renoir, Monet, Picasso, and Dalí. I have a lot of passions. My favorite books are Essay on Blindness by Saramago, Transform Your Health by Verdaguer, Clara Schumann's Diary, Nomads by Raquel Roca, and I, Robot by Isaac Asimov. I think that many times our worst enemy is ourselves. My favorite concerts for oboe are those by Martinus and Strauss. I think we are a representation of what we think, do, and eat in our lives. I love practicing scuba diving. For me, freedom is the absence of fear. In addition to classical music, I like to listen to jazz, flamenco, and swing. I've played concerts in America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. I love cooking and learning new recipes. My favorite movies are Good Will Hunting, Matrix, Amelie, and The Course. One of my next goals is to run a marathon. My favorite composers of soundtracks are John Williams and Hans Zimmer. My favorite historical character is Maria Montessori. At this moment I'm playing with a Marigot Oboe 901 semi-automatic and the English horn lorry. Teaching and sharing learning is one of my passions. I am really fascinated about the latest research on neuroscience and neuropsychology applied to the music education. Okay, so now you get to know me a little bit more. Also, I like to get to know a little bit more better also, so don't forget to leave here your suggestions about the content you'd like to see in the next videos. You can find more information about the MusicBayside Oboe project in the website musicbayside.com and in my social network, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to get all the notifications with the new videos. There will be new videos every week. I see you very soon in the next video. Welcome to the MusicBayside community. On the website of MusicBayside, musicbayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel MusicBayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in Music Bayside and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.